students. So now again we are continuing operations on algebraic expression. So as you know, we have already completed addition and subtraction. So this time I am explaining you multiplication. So as we know, in algebraic expression variable and constants are there. So multiplication can be with variable as long as constant also. Multiplication can be of 2 or 3 variables also, and in that multiplication different type of constants or different type of variable they will combine in multiplication. So let now we can understand with different type of questions. Suppose if 3 is multiplied by x, so here you are seeing that 3 is constant and x is variable. So after this multiplication will be 3x. 6 into z is 6z. Then 4 multiplied by y will be 4y. 50 multiplied by q is 50q. Okay. Again multiplication can be in terms of only variable, like this. If b multiplied by cz, so it will become bcz. If 4y multiplied by 7z, so here you are seeing 4 and 7 are constants and y and z are variables. So 4 and 7 will be multiplied, so we get 28, and y and z will be multiplied, so final answer will be 28 by z. Next, 2b multiplied by 4c. So 2 and 4 they are constants. So 2 and 4 will be multiplied, so it will become 8, and b and c multiplied, so it will become, final answer will be 8bc. 6c multiplied by 7b multiplied by 2a. So in this you can see there are 3 constants. They are 6, 7 and 2. So 6, 7 and 2 will be multiplied. So 6 7 is 42, 42 2 is 84. So 84, and C, B and A will be multiplied. So we get ABC. So final answer will be 84 ABC. Okay. Now see here, in this here what we did in multiplication, that you are seeing only one power of variable is coming every time. Yes, here see here b, so power of variable of b is 1, c is 1 and z is 1. Similarly here power of variable of b and c is 1. Here you can see power of variable is of yz is 1 and 1. So we will not say raised to the power y is 1. Simply we say yz. Okay. If we are saying yz, it means that power of variable y is 1 as well as power of variable z is 1. Okay. But we can't able to see it. It is understood that 1 is here. Okay. So we are not showing it. Just we will write yz. But if some other power which is other than 1, so we have to show. Okay. So now further I am explaining you power of variable. Through this you can easily understand what is it. So if variable is multiplied by itself, means suppose y is any variable, and if we are saying variable is multiplied by itself, means again we have to write y multiplied by y. So y multiplied by y means y raised to the power 1 multiplied by y raised to the power 1. So as we know through exponent, or I will explain exponent further also. So in this, according to exponent rules, power will be add up provided bases are same. So 1 plus 1, so it will become y raised to the power 2. Okay. So it is known as y raised to the power 2 or y square. Instead of this, it very well can be a multiplication of 3 times. So y into y into y, or we will say y multiplied by y multiplied by y. So here we can see easily y raised to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this will become y raised to the power 3. Okay. So in y cube, if you have y cube, so base in this base is y and power is 3. It is also known as y cube, or you can say y raised to the power 3. If it is 2y raised to the power 4, so base is y and power of y is power of variable is 4. So power is 4 and base is y. And if we want to know what is the numerical coefficient of y raised to the power 4, so how we can find out? So just remember two words: other than that. So what is other than that? Other than that is whatever they are asking, apart from that you will get answer, or you can find answer. So apart from y raised to the power 4, what is here? So it is only plus 2. So numerical coefficient of y raised to the power 4 in 2y raised to the power 4 is plus 2. Now see further. 6a square b multiplied by 9ab square c square. So this is your expanded form. Okay, you can see it is expanded form. When we are saying expanded form means if it is in the form of a square, so you will write a into a. If it is in b square, so you will write b into b. Or if it is c square, then you will write c into c. So that is the expanded form. So now we are writing 6 multiplied by a because a is coming 2 times. Okay, multiplied by b, then multiplied by 9 into a into b since b is coming 2 times, and into c since c is coming 2 times. Okay, so as you know, if bases are same, power will be add up. So here base is a and here base is a into a, so total will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this will become a cube. Similarly we will do for b into b. So b into b means b raised to the power 1 plus 1. So this will become b. This will become b 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1b is there. So this will become b cube. And for c 1 plus 1 only. So this will become c square. So final answer will be 54 a cube b cube c square. Or we can say 54 multiplied by a raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 3 and c raised to the power 2. Clear? Now we are doing division. So in this again variable and constant will come. So variable is divided by constant. So like this, and reverse also by putting different value of variables. So x divided by 10 is x by 10, y divided by 15, y by 15. Here you can see easily how to write division, how to write terms in division. Xy divided by x. So xy means x multiplied by y divided by x. So here you can see easily that x and x will cut, so we get y. Okay. Next is x square y multiplied by y cube. So x square y divided by y cube. So here you can see this is y raised to the power 3 and this is only y. So it will become y 1 minus 3 according to the rules of exponent. When division is there, so power will be subtracted, so it will go up. So 1 minus 3 is y raised to the power minus 2. And always try to write your final answer in positive terms. So this is x square y minus 2, but since we have to write in positive terms, so we should write like this. Clear? Now next, 36a square bc divided by 12a square ab square c. So 12 threes means we will cut this numeric or simplify these numeric. So 12 threes are 36, and a square by a, so a raised to the power 2 minus 1, b 1 minus 2, and c 1 minus 1. So this will become a b minus 1 or c raised to the power, and c raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 in exponent is 1. So we get a b raised to the power minus 1 into 1, which is a b raised to the power minus 1. So our final answer will be 3 a b raised to the power minus 1, but we have to write our answer in positive terms, so it will become 3a upon b. Okay, now see next one. So 45b square c square a divided by the same number 45b square c square a. So 45 will cut and we get 1. And how these variables will combine? So see here, b square minus b raised to the power 2 minus 2, c raised to the power 2 minus 2, and a raised to the power 1 minus 1. So we get b 0, c 0, and a 0. So final answer will be 1 into 1 into 1, and already we did 45 by 45 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is final answer is 1. Clear? Okay. Bye bye.